Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, I would like to thank the honorable members for the suggestions they have made during the course of the debate. On this occasion, I would like to assure them that their suggestion will be taken into consideration by the government as and when necessary. Now I am just asking different stages of education one after another, in spite of the fact that there is some difference of opinion on some important matters. There is unanimity on one point, that is, literacy must be provided to every citizen and also to every child, and there should be universal adult education and primary education. I would like to tell you that there is no second opinion on that. For this purpose, I already announced setting up of a national board of adult education which would chalk out necessary programs. I also pointed out that this matter would have to be taken up with the ministers of education in different states. I am going to call a meeting of the education ministers of different states very soon. As regards primary education, we find that the emphasis has been reduced to a large extent. We find that in earlier 5-year plans, the allocation for this purpose was very reasonable, but unfortunately it was reduced during the last 5-year plan. Mr. Speaker, I have already indicated that our government would like to place first emphasis on the removal of illiteracy as well as universalization of primary education. So, I would like to point out that the actual allocation in the budget may not be very high, this matter being within the competence of the states and also with the help of different sections of the people. At the same time, I wish to state that this adult education is not the question of money only. It is the question of motivation also. So far as this purpose, a great deal of persuasion is necessary, and we have also to give special training to teachers. Unless the teachers are properly trained to take up adult classes, the money which will be spent for that purpose may be fully wasted. I am glad to inform you that our government proposed to allot large sums of money for the purpose of training the adult and teachers. Without spending large sums of money, it may not be possible to achieve good results. Letter from the manager, Mrs. Raj and Company, Bangalore to Mrs. Ravi Agency, Chennai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant. We are very glad to enclose a copy of our latest catalog and price list. We are sure you will find that many of the items in the list are in great demand in the market, and our prices are very much lower when compared to others in the market. We assure you that we can supply these goods from our stocks within a week from the date of receipt of the order. We inform you that we will be glad to allow 6% commission and an additional 1% in respect of bulk orders and orders for which we receive full payment within 10 days from the date of receipt of goods by customers. We thank you and assure you of our best services at all times. Yours faithfully,